Thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. I am beyond thrilled to share with you all that we've just received our second payment from YouTube, and I couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. Your continuous support, encouragement, and dedication to our channel have made this incredible milestone possible, and I am immensely grateful to each of you. When I started this journey, I never imagined the overwhelming positivity and love that would come from building this community. Your likes, comments, shares, and most importantly, your subscriptions, mean the world to me. They motivate me to keep creating content that entertains, educates, and inspires. Every view, every comment, and every subscription is not just a number to me, it represents a connection, a bond that we've formed through our shared passions and interests. Whether you've been with us from the very beginning or have just recently joined our family, please know that your presence is deeply valued and appreciated. As we celebrate this milestone together, I want to express my sincerest gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you for believing in me, for supporting my channel, and for being a part of this incredible journey. Your continued support fuels my passion for creating content, and I am excited to see where our journey takes us next. Here's to many more milestones, laughter, and unforgettable moments together. Thank you for being the best subscribers and viewers a creator could ask for. With all my gratitude and appreciation. Rashid Maqbool ITMaster.